A motion of no confidence, vote of no confidence, or no confidence motion, sometimes in the reverse as a motion of confidence or vote of confidence, is a statement or vote about whether a person in a position of responsibility is still deemed fit to hold that position, perhaps because they are inadequate in some aspect, are failing to carry out obligations, or are making decisions that other members feel as being detrimental. As a parliamentary motion, it demonstrates to the head of state that the elected parliament has or no longer has confidence in the appointed government. In some countries, if a no-confidence motion is passed against an individual minister, the minister then must resign. In most cases, if the minister in question is the premier, then all other ministers must also resign. A censure motion is different from a no-confidence motion. Depending on the constitution of the body concerned, no confidence may lead to dismissal of the Council of Ministers or other position holders, often dissolving most of the leadership of the executive branch, whereas censure is meant to show disapproval and does not result in the resignation of ministers. The censure motion can be against an individual minister or a group of ministers. But depending on a country's constitution, a no-confidence motion may be more directed against the entire cabinet. Again, depending on the applicable rules, censure motions may need to state the reasons for the motion while no-confidence motions may not require reasons to be specified. There are a number of variations in this procedure between parliaments. In some countries, a motion of no confidence can be directed at the government collectively or at any individual member, including the Prime Minister. Sometimes motions of no confidence are proposed even though they have no likelihood of passage, simply to pressure a government or to embarrass its own critics, who may for political reasons decide not to vote against it. In many parliamentary democracies, there are strict time limits for no confidence motions. They may only be allowed once every 3, 4 or 6 months. Thus, the timing of a motion of no confidence is a matter of political judgment. A motion of no confidence on a relatively trivial matter may prove counterproductive if a more important issue suddenly arises which actually warrants a motion of no confidence, because such a motion cannot be proposed if one has been voted on recently. Sometimes, the government will choose to declare that one of its bills is a motion of confidence in order to prevent dissident members of their own party voting against it. In the Australian Parliament, a motion of no confidence requires a majority of the members present in the House of Representatives to agree to it. The House of Representatives consists of 151 members, requiring 76 votes in favor of the motion when all members of the House are present. A straight vote of no confidence in a government, or a motion or amendment censuring a government, has never been successful in the House of Representatives. Despite this, on 8 occasions governments have either resigned or advised a dissolution following their defeat on other questions before the House. The last time a government resigned after being defeated in the House came in October 1941, when the House rejected the budget of Arthur Fadden's minority government. Specific motions of no confidence or censure motions against the Prime Minister, ministers, the leader of the opposition, senators and leaders of political parties have been moved and have been successful on some occasions. Motions of no confidence against the government may be passed in the Senate, yet may have little or no impact in the House. However, the Senate's right to refuse supply helped spark the 1975 Australian constitutional crisis. The convention remains a grey area as Westminster governments are not normally expected to maintain the confidence of the upper house. In the Parliament of Bangladesh, there is no provision to hold motions of no confidence. This is as a result of Article 70 of the Constitution of Bangladesh, which prohibits members of Parliament voting against their party, making the removal of a sitting government unattainable. In Canadian politics, a vote of no confidence is a motion that the legislature disapproves and no longer consents to the governing Prime Minister or provincial Premier and the incumbent cabinet. A vote of no confidence that passes leads to the fall of the incumbent government. The practice originates as a constitutional convention and remains an uncodified procedure not outlined in any standing orders for the House of Commons of Canada. A no-confidence motion may only be directed against the incumbent government in the legislature. with votes of no confidence against the legislature's official opposition being inadmissible. At the federal level, a vote of no confidence is a motion presented by a member of the H.